welcome back to my channel. So my school has given us sample papers for each subject to practice during Diwali holidays. And honestly, even though I really wanted to rest and chill a bit, I also thought why not make these few days a little productive. In today's vlog, I am going to be practicing SST and Maths sample papers and also revising a small chapter from Science I Environment since my Science Olympiad is on the 27th of November. I am keeping it simple and calm, no rush, no pressure, just slow and consistent study. So yeah, let's start this productive Diwali study day together. I always start my study day by planning out what I actually want to get done. Not like a long list, just 2 to 3 important things. Today's plan is pretty clear. Finishing my SST and Maths sample paper, revising our environment from science. This small list keeps me focused also. My SST sample paper is basically like the class 10 CBSE board paper. 80 marks and 4 sections. And I just realized it's not even my school's own paper. It's directly taken from the CBSE sample paper. We have to write the answers on loose sheets. It's like actual board exam form. So let's start with SST first. I started my day with SST. It's one of my favorite subjects honestly. But since I didn't score that well in maths and physics during midterms, I am giving way more priority these holidays. Still, studying SST feels so calm. The concepts are easy to understand once you read them properly. My paper has all 4 parts: history, geography, civics and economics. The new pattern actually feels a bit more organized. I started with history first. It's a little boring sometimes, especially when it's all dates and movements. But once I get into the flow, it's fine. Geography also takes time because of the map part, but civics and economics are a relief, short and conceptual. I didn't try to finish the entire paper at once, just doing section by section, writing neatly on loose sheets. This way, I can revise easily later when pre-boards come closer. After doing half of the paper, I took a short break. I have been trying to avoid phone scrolling during days, just relaxing and letting my brain breathe a little. These small breaks actually help a lot when you are studying long hours. Next up was maths. Our school gave full syllabus sample papers similar to the actual class 10 board paper. 80 marks, same section, same marking scheme as CBSE. There are also questions from magnetic effects of electric current in science sample paper, but since the chapter isn't done yet, I will leave those for later. Math sample papers really help me get into exam mode. It's not just about solving questions, but managing time. I am trying to solve one full paper at a time, timing myself and checking my steps after each question. Even though maths used to stress me out, I'm slowly getting more confident with each paper. Mistakes feel less scary when you treat them as practice. For the evening, I wanted a change of place, so I moved to the dining table to study science. I am revising the chapter Our Environment. It's simple but really important, and I haven't made any notes for it yet. So instead of writing, I decided to just watch one lecture and read the NCERT slowly. No background music, no noise, just reading quietly. Sometimes studying without any music feels more grounding, and I am just focusing on understanding the concepts like waste management, food chains and ozone layer, since these small topics can easily appear in both the Olympiads and boards. And that's it for today's study vlog. Honestly, I didn't complete everything 100%, but I am glad I stuck to the plan. This Deepavali break feels like the perfect time to balance, study, rest and just breathe before the pre-board chaos starts. If you're also studying during holidays, remember you don't need to do everything in a day. Even one focused chapter can make a big difference. So that was my productive Diwali holiday study vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It really keeps me motivated to make more realistic study vlogs for y'all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.